Facts or myths? Pet edition. More feeds always means more milk. It's a myth. Fun fact. Overfeeding doesn't guarantee higher milk yield, instead balanced nutrition and proper healthcare are the key. Hens lay eggs without roosters. Roosters are only needed for fertilized eggs. It's a fact. Pigs are highly intelligent and social animals comparable to dogs in problem-solving skills. It's a fact. Brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. It's a myth. Egg color depends on breed. Nutrition is the same if hens have the same diet.